Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the dispenser drawer on your washer. It's a really easy job. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we'll need to remove the complete dispenser assembly from the washer. Then we set it on a suitable work surface where we can exchange the handle on the front as well as the internal components, put them onto the new dispenser and reinstall. Now, on models that have a hook for that latch, you're simply going to slide that to the right, pull the dispenser out until the stop catches on it, and then just reach in the back left-hand corner here, depress that tab, and you can pull the whole assembly completely out of the washer. We'll begin by removing the insert, setting that aside. Now next, we'll need to detach the front or handle from that dispenser. So if we flip it over, you'll note that there are some tabs that are attached to that handle that engage the front of the dispenser. So we'll simply depress those tabs while we pull the handle away from the dispenser body. Just work from one side, detach the middle, and then the opposite side, and lift it away. We'll discard the old dispenser assembly and just inspect those tabs to make sure that they're all intact. If not, you'll need to get a new dispenser handle or front. And if we look across the top of that dispenser, you'll note 3 elongated openings that will fit over these tabs on the top of the handle. So we'll engage those first. And at the same time, we'll insert the tabs across the bottom into the respective openings. Those are the tabs on the top. Line up the ones in the rear, and then snap it closed. Make sure these 3 tabs engage. We're ready to put the insert back into the top. And then we can put the complete assembly back into the washer. Just line up the 2 sides of the track with the guides in the opening. Just check the operation of that latch. And our repair is complete.